I will be showing you guys how I make this onions oil for a massive egg growth. Keep watching to see how I make this oil. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Hope everyone are doing good. If you are new here, you are welcome to share reactions. Today I'm going to be making onions oil. Okay, this is my onions. I've already cut the skin off and I rinse it up with water, and I have my grater. Okay, I'm going to be using grater to grate the onions instead of me blending it with my blender. You can go ahead and blend it if you don't want to grate your onions. They all work perfectly. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to grate the onions. Then after grating the onions, I'm going to transfer it into a clean pot, and I'll add my coconut oil. Okay, the carrier oil that I'm going to be using coconut oil. You can go ahead and use any other oil of your choice. You can use any other oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, sesame seed oil, canola oil. Depends on any oil you have at hand. Right now I'm done grating the onions. Now I'm going to transfer it into a clean pot, as you can see. Then I'm going to be adding about half a cup of my coconut oil. Then I will cook this on a very low heat. Okay, here I'm adding about my half cup of coconut oil. Then I'm going to be stirring this until it is ready. Make sure you do this on a very low heat, okay, because you don't want to burn your oil. You don't want it to be burnt. You have to keep stirring. You have to be stirring it. Please make sure your fire is on a very low heat. You keep stirring, and you're going to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes before it is ready. This oil is very good for you. Coconut oil is very good for our skin. Also, it's very good for our hair. I'm going to be using this recipe for my hair. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by today. If you are new here, you are welcome to share reactions. Please consider subscribing before the end of the video. Put on your bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for watching my video. At this point, the oil is almost getting ready. As you can see, I keep stirring it up. I don't want it to be burnt. Okay, I don't want the oil to be the onions to be brown. I want it to be white like this. I'm just gonna keep stirring. Then after 10 minutes, I'll just turn the flame off. I'm gonna turn off the fire, and I'll allow it to cool down. At this time, the oil is ready. I just turn it off and allow it to cool down. Then I have my strainer. I have my cheesecloth and a strainer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pour it inside the strainer. Then the strainer, it will go through the cheesecloth because I want it to be very, very light. I don't want any onions pop inside the oil. That's why I'm using the strainer first. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there. Then I'll use my spoon to press it down so that any excess oil that's inside the onions will be hot. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a little stir. Yeah, that's it. Then I will transfer it into my container. That's it. Now this is the finished look. This is my my oil. Now I'm just going to transfer it into my container that I'm going to be storing it at. Thank you so much, everyone. That's it, guys. This is the oil. It's very easy to make. If you want to make it, try it and you're gonna love it. Okay, I'm gonna be using this oil to massage my scalp, my hair, my edges. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I really appreciate every one of you, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please thumbs up this video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed. God love you all. Bye bye.